So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see where you are logged in Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Instagram account. Now simply tap on profile icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap here, then tap on three line, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap here, then tap on account center. Now tap on password and security. Now you can see the option of where you are logged in. So tap here, then tap on your account, see where you are logged in. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.